Hello everybody, it's October 1st, 2023. Gonna put the drone up. It's 8:19 in the morning. Let's go see what the sky looks like. Let's get her up and we will check it out.
Takeoff. Attitude mode. Fly with caution. Max altitude reached.
Okay, now where the fuck are ya?
Home point updated.
Okay, here, let's go. We're recording. Sky was really wild earlier. Do a quick 360 here. Direct, wait. That's directly north. Hey everybody, we're now zoomed in, so let's check this out. I mean, that's not the moon. I guarantee you it's not the moon. You'll see it a few times in the video. What do you guys think it is? It's a moon to a planet? Planet? Asteroid? Let's zoom in bigger, closer. See how this looks. See what I'm saying? It's just not right. Leave a thought, leave a comment, please. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, everybody. That's directly south. That's directly west. That's our northwest. There is our north, right there. North. Thing goes all the way around. Just continue going around. There's our east. Directly facing east, right? Right there is directly east. So the sun's just a little southeast. Let's take her up higher. But I just wanted to get this on here, everybody, and just show you guys what the sky looks like October 1st. I wish I would have got out there a little bit earlier, but I've got my other camera working, so that'll be okay. Look how dark it is in there. It is just wild looking. You see that haze down on the very, very bottom of the screen. Let's see, right now I'm at only 69 feet. I'm gonna go up higher and get a visual where I'm at. Here I am. Okay, we go. We're going up higher. So now we're. Oh, I was wrong before. I said 79 feet. Okay, that's 100 feet. I go higher, but I don't want to get it out of my vision, everybody. And we're just going to go a couple more minutes here, and we're going to land there. Bring it home. Good luck to all you deer hunters out there. Opening day of bow season for deer hunting, white-tailed deer. Anyways, I think that's about it, everybody. I've seen enough, so don't want to keep showing the same old over and over. Get my visual. Bring it home. Shut camera off. We're done.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray